BJP jinjab, 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 BJP ka 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 jinjab, Narendra Modi ka jinjab.
Ka BJP Meghalaya ha ka sautrik ujemang arajar arpun real kalapan pau ke jingkaman ke bakrau hadin ke jingjop dan buram jong keseng hagi jela bamarjan ki bekentut ke Assam bat ke West Bengal. Ha ke jingulum lang ban pen pau ke jingkaman ki dong ilam bagi kot jong keseng ha Meghalaya kalapan pau baga thong ke bebut jogi benta kelong banwan ra ke Sorkar ke belam ke BJP ha Meghalaya ha ke Snem arajar arpupra. Menteri Sorkar barem ubadeiru UMLA kaseng uba AL-hek ulapan pau begini ke jingjop West Bengal bat Assam kadai kedak ke basyai bagal air ke BJP kala bestat akan ke tanch tu lam mini. Ulapan te bru babun ki MLA ki badang bat kam menta ya MLA barem bagi dekat ke District Council kelada peni kendo yu bat pen pau ke jingtrang banwan peni sono bat ke BJP hagi di sini banwan. Habakaran lo ke jingjop u chief spokesperson ke BJP Meghalaya uba M Karkarang ulang bagi jingjop West Bengal kedai jingjop jong jingshannya persya ag jingshap tiang keseng kalakan mau buramru Dr. Shyam Prasad Mukherjee bagi kita kinong trai bala len ladian nak benta keseng West Bengal ka BJP kalakan noru bagi Sorkar TMC kala persyang ban penbor gimat ke babakla kum gejing persya ya ka SIR drai ki breu kala jet ban bot gejing ang nuat jong menteri rang badu kariu Narendra Modi na kebenta ke Vikasit Bharat. Hakawai pagaliang ke BJP Meghalaya kala ai kubli kerpang ya ke jela Assam, ke balayo ya ke bahak sensyar, haka sian ke balai. Ka seng kalapan pau bagi jingjop ha Assam, itu bagi sensyar ke babah ke kamkrau ban ya ke kentian niam bat ke jing pembiak. Ka seng kala keduru bagi imlang salang Kristan ha Assam, lerenti ban ai ke jing kersyan ke BJP. Bagi ni ke digadak, ke bagi kimi lenti banjaru ha Meghalaya. Kaseng kalakan Thaw halor Rahul Gandhi berkeseng Kongres halor kejing Syarem kebaman ke election. Rengkat kejing ai kublayu Amit Shah badu Presiden kaseng Nitin Nabin halor kene kejing job ke bakrau. Ka BJP Meghalaya kalapan scam ba kejing penkreak ban penkelai hukum sensyar Meghalaya kala yang saki nadu mentahi.
We're talking about the BJP and the BJP victory. We're not talking for other political parties.
Meghalaya, I'm saying.
Even Meghalaya also, but BJP will be forming the government in 2028. That is very sure.
Yes. So it's giving a boost.
Yeah, there are so many leaders that call me, not only today, for the last few days, they want to join the BJP, and definitely many of them also, we had the meeting with them, and they are joining very soon. Two very senior leaders, the sitting MLA and also the former MLA and also MDC are joining BJP.
So in 28 you will be able to form the
I
government
told
here.
you also, but 28 will be a BJP-led government in Meghalaya.
Rural, now they have started accepting the good works of none other than Narendra Modi ji. So that's why we are winning. We will form the government in 2028.
First of all, I would like to thank all our friends from the press fraternity who have come and covered this our joyous occasion today. On this momentous occasion, BJP Meghalaya first of all pays rich tribute to Dr. Shyam Prasad Mukherjee, whose dream of inclusive Bengal and India finds realization today. We also bow our heads in memory of the hundreds of BJP workers, our family members, who laid down their lives to ensure the emergence of BJP and a new dawn of progress in Bengal. They were cruelly snatched from us by a brutal criminal regime. But the memory of their selfless sacrifice acts as an inspiration for party workers elsewhere and everywhere. The win in West Bengal, it is a momentous occasion in the history of electoral politics in the state and the nation. This change signals a victory of trust over fear and the absolute rejection of appeasement, infiltration, encouragement, syndicates, cut money and criminal politics. People of Bengal have decided to align themselves with our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji's dream of a Viksit Bharat. We extend our compliments to the people of Bengal on a decision well made. We have seen the drama that the TMC, led by Mamata Banerjee, had created in Bengal over the SIR, in spite of it being implemented peacefully across 12 states in the country. We hope that the opposition have now realized that negative politics and lies no longer work. A lot has been spoken about the large deployment of central forces in Bengal. Thanks to the extraordinary work done by the central forces, Bengal, for the first time, has seen a peaceful election. Admirable for a state where the average death rate in the election in the past had stood at 75 until now. BJP Meghalaya also extends heartiest congratulations and best wishes to party workers and leaders of Assam on an overwhelming victory once again. The third consecutive term of the BJP has secured in Assam provides and proves that good governance and people-friendly measures, each time it is witnessed today. It's worth mentioning that the Christian community of Assam have voted completely for the BJP, and a trend which we will see being reflected in Meghalaya in this MP election and also in the 2028 LA election. Last but not least, this is Rahul Gandhi's and Congress' 99th defeat. Some serious introspection is perhaps necessary. We, as a party Meghalaya, we congratulate our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, our Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah, and our National President Mr. Naveen Nitin.